Hi friends, it's me Priya Hariprasad. Welcome to the world of economics. Hope that you all are fine, safe and happy. Today I am going to explain circular flow of income in a two-sector model economy. Circular flow of income is a very important topic in macroeconomics. Okay then, before that please try to subscribe my channel. Okay then come let's learn together what's circular flow of income and expenditure. It depicts the interdependence between the different sectors of the economy. It expresses or it depicts the interdependence between the different sectors of the economy. In an economy, different sectors are dependent each other. Okay, the income of one sector will be the expenditure of another sector. The income of one sector will be the expenditure of another sector. Okay, so they are interrelated and interdependent each other. Okay, so in order to exist one sector, we want another sector. Okay, so that interdependence only we are trying to learn in the circular flow of income in a two-sector model. Here we are trying to assume that in an economy there are only two sectors. Which are they? Firms and households. Just we are assuming. Okay, this is a basic model only. I am explaining today what's a two-sector model only. Okay, then we can learn four-sector model or three-sector model in another class. Okay, then in this video, I am going to explain what's two-sector model economy. So, which are the two sectors in an economy? Firms and households. Which are they? Firms and households. Okay, then here we have two markets, factor market and product market. Factor market and product market. In the factor market, what we will get labors. In the factor market, we will get labors. Okay. Then product market, we will get the goods. Okay, the final goods. Okay. Then here the household sector provides factor services to firms. Household sector provides factor services to firm. Okay, here it is coming here. Okay, then that is real flows. Factor services are real flows. Okay, then factor services means land, labor, capital and organization, everything. Okay. So, the household sectors are providing these factors of production to these firms. Okay, firms. Then the firms are providing what is factor payments or factor incomes to the household sector. Okay, the firms are providing back what is factor payments or money flows to the household sector. Okay. What's the factor payments for land, rent, labor, wage, for capital, interest, and finally for organization, profit. But these things, these factor payments are providing by the firms to the households. Okay. Then households are giving what is factor services, land, labor, capital, and organization, especially labors. Household sectors are providing labors to the firms, and firms are providing income, factor payments, reward or remuneration for that. Correct only? Okay, that's first relationship. And here firms are giving goods and services to the household sectors. That's real flows only. Goods and services. Okay. Firms are providing goods and services to household sector. Okay. That means household sector they are purchasing goods and services from firms only. Okay. Then what is for that? Then the household sectors are providing what is expenditure on goods and services. They have to pay. Correct only. If they are purchasing goods and services, they have to pay. That payment, that is expenditure on goods and services from household sector to firms. From household sector to firms. That is money flows. That is in the form of money. That is in the form of money. Got it? Okay. So here household firms are providing goods and services to the household sectors. Okay. Households. That means households are purchasing goods and services from firms. Okay, then what they will give back money, expenditure on goods and services. They have to pay money for that. So that expenditure on goods and services, money flows are coming from household sector to firms back. Okay, so these are the what is interrelationship, okay, or interdependence. So each sector depends on each other. Okay, each sector depends each other. Okay, one more time I'll explain. Household sector providing factor services, labor, like that. Okay, then for that they are payments are there. Okay, they will firms are paying money in the form of money, factor payments. That means remuneration for labor, wage. Okay, so firms are providing factor payments, and household sector are buying goods and services from firms. Okay, so firms providing what is goods and services to the household sector, and they will pay back, okay, expenditure on goods and services, that is money flow. Okay, so this process will continue again and again. So two sectors are interdependent and interrelated each other. Correct only? Here two markets are there, factor market and product market. This is the circular flow of income and expenditure in a two sector model. Okay, here this is the basic form only I am explaining here. Okay, then here we have to learn some two concepts only. What is leakages and injections? Leakages. What are leakages? Savings, imports. Okay, savings, taxes, imports. These are leakages from the consumers. Okay, savings, taxes and imports are leakages, and investment and exports are what is? Injections. Investments and exports are injections. Income will come here. Okay, savings, taxes and imports, our income will go. Okay, that is leakages. And injections, what are injections? Exports and investment. That are what is injections. Okay, and so this is a very simple explanation of circular flow of income and expenditure two sector model. Okay, then please try to subscribe my channel. In my channel there are a lot of videos regarding economics in English or in Malayalam also. Okay, then thanks a lot.